In this video, we're going to look at how to access student Google Classroom accounts from home. When students are in district buildings, the devices they used are mirrored by the district to make login easier. They don't have to go through these additional steps. So this is going to be a learning process for many students at home. Here's what you need to do. Do a Google search for Trenton Public Schools. The website is www.trentonk12.org. Once you're there, hover or point to the words students and parents. You don't need to click. In the drop-down menu, choose Google Classroom. Now, as you can see, Google Classroom is trying to use my home Gmail account. That will not work. Student accounts, instead, I'm going to click Use Another Account, are simply their lunch number, followed by the words at trenton.k12.nj.us. In this case, I'm using a demo student account. Please know that this part of the email address will be your student's lunch number. Now I'm going to hit Next. Now the student will be putting in their lunch number password again, or another password that your student uses daily. I'm sure your student knows the password because they have to put it in every day. Now, here is an example screen. If you're looking to add your student to a Google Classroom, please visit the next video in this series. Good luck.